What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update, and well, surprise, surprise, another new high. One of the slowest days I've seen in forever. Again, this is the problem. We've got dull, drifting markets, and dull markets are going to drift higher. It's as simple as that. They're hard to trade. They're hard to get involved with. You really want to try to sell them, but you don't. You got to sit back and relax and wait. This is not the time to get involved. There's too many things happening out there right now. We saw gold get clobbered on Monday. We saw oil up, down big, back near unchanged. Bonds selling off. We've got the dollar kind of mixed. British pound getting slaughtered. Euro currency on both sides of unchanged. Just not a lot to go, not a lot to do, not a lot to think about. I think this is where you have to make solid decisions as a trader and an investor of what you want to do here. There's no real great technical signs here. We saw the banks and financials a little bit stronger. Tech, Amazon up early, down. Apple up early, down. Facebook down. Nvidia and Tesla rallied but came off their highs. I think really what it's all about now is the creatures from Jekyll Island. And if you don't know the reference, that is the Fed. They report on Wednesday. They've got a meeting, two-day meeting starting tomorrow. And they will announce their decision on interest rates, which basically there's probably no chance they raise. The real question will be, what's the verbiage going to be? How is it going to be interpreted? And are they going to announce how they're going to exit their huge bond position? Now, one of the things is they don't have to exit. They can actually carry till maturity. We are now 10 years into the debacle of what they've created. I think it's a tragedy what they've done. I think that we're being misled down the primrose path by TV commentators, by pundits, as to how strong this market really is. I think you look at the earnings across the board, they're stronger, but based on what? Jobs stink, losing, we've lost real wages, we're losing, we're not gaining anywhere, I guess is the real point. So what do we do? What do we do from here? Well, the best thing you can do sometimes is to watch. You can sit back and observe. You know, we've got the UN meeting, we've got talk about sanctions on North Korea. It all doesn't mean anything right now. And what the market will care about when it decides to move is the big deal. Okay, that's what we're waiting for. We don't know what that's going to be. It could be North Korea. It could be a number of anything. But we don't know what those are going to be. What we do know is that debt is out of control. What we do know is the Fed has no clue of what they're going to do next, which is why we're still waiting. Because certainly, if they had an idea, then we would have raised rates already, if the economy was as in good shape as they said it is. We had weakness in the grain markets today. Soybeans failed again at 977. Wheat and corn looked like they're probably at pretty good levels to buy. But again, lack of interest, lack of real business. I'm not excited about anything. I'd be more excited to go out and play golf right here. I don't think that the overall markets are all that exciting. I don't think that it's a great time to jump in. I think it's a better time to observe. And let's see if the markets break one way or the other here. Now, again, some people say, you know, I called the top a few weeks ago, and we're violated. I mean, we're breaking the new highs, but it's not like we're going straight up. We're going up a little. We're dribbling higher, as some like to call it, the melt up. But at the end of the day, it's really better just to kind of hang out and not be too involved in what's going on in the market. Let's let the market tell us what to do. Volatility is brutal. Now, the VIX was only down a little bit, but that VXX, that crooked ETF I keep talking about, was down about $1.80 or so on Monday. It's ridiculous. I mean, they're just pounding away and pounding away. The best course of action is to sit back, relax, and wait. That's the trade here, is not to be involved and not to put yourself in a weak position, which would be by being involved in either side of the market. All right. Again, I'm not telling you to get short. I'm not telling you to get long. I'm saying, hey, You're much better off here to sit back and observe. Bonds look like they're going to break down, which is what we would expect. Oil has an OPEC meeting later this week. I know OPEC's tried to manipulate this for a year and they haven't done a very good job. Fed, other things, there's not really anything to get excited about. And it's unusual for this time of year, but hey, you're better off sitting tight, waiting, relaxing, instead of jumping in, because there is no clear sign as to what's next. Okay, you can listen to anybody you want, but at the end of the day, listen to old Bubba here, there's no real clear sign of what to do. Whatever side you pick here, if you are right, you are making a guess and you'll get lucky. But from a probability standpoint, you're better off sit back, relax, take a nap, because all you could have done all day today was to take a nap. There was nothing to do. Anyways, that'll do it for today's Bubba's Daily Update. Make sure you catch the Bubba Show every day, 2 to 3 Eastern Time. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. This has been Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you back here tomorrow, same time. Take care, everybody. Have a great day.